Android in the Cloud, the Dublin Challenge. We demonstrate the exceptional performance of Android in the Cloud, an extremely efficient, high-performance enabling technology. Remote Android using ARM servers. This video shows Android running on an ARM server, a compressed graphical rendering stream created on the server, transmission of the rendering stream via a network to an x86 Ubuntu client, rendering and display of the graphical interface on the client. Two servers on two continents. The distance to the desktop server, an Odroid C2 ARM processor, is 40 centimeters away. The distance to the Dublin, Ireland AWS A1 ARM server is over 4,000 kilometers from the client in Tel Aviv, Israel. The round-trip latency is 85 milliseconds for the server in Dublin. Graphical performance is virtually identical despite 7 orders of magnitude difference in the distance between the two servers and client. During DLD Innovation Tel Aviv, we presented an interactive challenge. One window was running Ascender Technologies Android in the Cloud with both server and client co-located at our DLD stand. The second window was running the client at our stand, but the AWS A1 server was located in Dublin, Ireland, using a 4G tethered cell phone as the internet link. We challenged our visitors to discern the difference between local and remote servers. We will now redo our Dublin challenge in a controlled environment. We see that we can very smoothly rotate rendered cubes. We can also access the GUI and press buttons and menus. We have here two composed surfaces. Both left and right are reasonably responsive and very similar. Now we do a more complex graphical demo. Here we rotate 4K cubes. Each cube is rendered with 6 facets. So we have 24K textured fragments being rendered. The rendering in both is very smooth, and differences between the two windows are hard to detect. One is in Dublin, Ireland. The other one is in Tel Aviv, Israel, local. You can see locations by the different times, 1423 in Ireland and 1623 in Israel. We can do some other tests. Here we look at a contacts list. We can go up and down, scrolling smoothly between the two contacts lists, one via the local server and the other over 4,000 kilometers away from the client. As you can see, there is no apparent difference. This is our demo setup. An Ubuntu x86 laptop, which acts as a local client. An Odroid C2 ARM server on the right. A 4G cell phone, our network connection, tethered to the Ubuntu x86 laptop, and an AWS A1 server located over 4,000 kilometers away in Dublin, Ireland. Edge computing and 5G mobile networks are technologies designed to reduce network congestion and latency. Currently, there is spotty global coverage, which is concentrated in major cities. Full deployment of these technologies will take years. Access to edge servers are not generally available. Android in the cloud can use widely available technologies, 4G networks and a public cloud, resulting in a high-quality remote Android solution. When edge computing and 5G are available, performance of Android in the cloud will only improve. Android in the cloud is an enabling technology with multiple use cases. Talk to us about your company's use case.